Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to download and install Microsoft Teams application on your iPhone. So it is super easy, so let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open your App Store. In the search box at the top, type in Teams or Microsoft Teams, and from the search result, look for this application from Microsoft Corporation and tap on Get. Go ahead and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password, and your download process should begin. Wait for a couple of seconds, and once you download the app, tap on the Open button to open up the application on your device. Now you can go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new one. And then you will be ready to chat, call, and collaborate with Microsoft Teams on your iPhone. So that is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you never miss out another upcoming upload. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.